Hello, I'm Dr. Sean TOLHURST, a respiratory and sleep physician from Brisbane. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to correctly fit the Nimbus N95 mask. Follow these instructions each time you don your N95 Nimbus mask. Step 1. Perform hand hygiene. Step 2. Retrieve the mask from the box. Inspect the mask, ensuring that you have the correct size, that the straps are intact, and that there are no tears or holes in the mask. Step 3. Hold the folded mask by the upper tabs, making sure that the writing is upright. Open the folded mask by separating the tabs. Allow the straps to fall forward in front of the mask. Step 4. Holding the front of the mask, apply the mask to your face. Step 5. Using your other hand, pull the upper strap onto the crown of your head and pull the lower strap over the back of your head until it sits comfortably on your neck, underneath your ears. Step 6. Tighten the upper strap by gently pulling the loop of the strap while holding onto the plastic toggle. Repeat with the lower strap. Step 7. Roll the mask down until you feel the upper silicone cushion seal on the bridge of your nose, and the upper seal is visible above the top line of the mask. Press down on the nose bridge to mould the bridge to your nose to improve the seal. Step 8. Perform the fit test by breathing in and out in quick succession. When breathing out, check for air leakage around your face. Adjust the mask position if leakage is detected.